Ever tried to access an app settings on iPhone and ended up digging through the settings app forever? Unlike Android, iOS doesn't let you open app settings directly from the app. In this video, I will show you how to create a one-tap shortcut to instantly open any app setting on your iPhone. So let's get started. Launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and tap the plus button in the top right corner. Tap on the search field and search for the Get Current App action. Tap to add it to the shortcut. Now search for the Open URLs action and tap to add it to the shortcut. Tap on the Current App field and clear it. Now tap inside the empty field and type the command you see on your screen. You can also find it in our written guide linked in the video description. After you hit the colon, tap on the current app variable to add it to the URL. Scroll down the current app variable and tap to select the bundle identifier. Our shortcut is now ready. Let's give it a proper name and add it to our control center for quick access. To do that, tap the down arrow button and use the rename action to give it a name. Now, tap the down arrow again and give it a proper icon. Since it opens settings, I will give it a settings icon. Now, let's add it to the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and long press anywhere to enter editing mode. Tap the Add a Control button and search for the Run Shortcut action. Tap on the action and use the Choose button to select the shortcut we just created. Now, tap outside to get out of the editing mode. And that's it. We have done all the hard work and are ready to reap the benefits. Launch any app you want to open the settings for, bring down the control center and hit the shortcut icon. As you can see, it automatically opened that app's settings. You can try it with all the apps and see that it will work every time. And that's about does it for this video. If you enjoyed this nifty guide, click here to learn about the 5 hidden iPhone tips and tricks. It will help improve your iPhone experience. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.